Hello children, today we will study the new chapter, that is your chapter 8, working for living. Okay, today I will explain this chapter to you. Children, we have the some basic needs, okay, and that is your houses, food, okay, and clothes. These are the basic needs, and to get these all things we have to do any work. Every people do the different types of work, okay, to earn money. You are also looking your parents, they are also working children, okay, and earning money. So we have to do any work, okay, and any work that help us to earn money is called an occupation, okay. And you are looking, you can understand that every people are not very skilled in all the works, okay. Every people cannot do the same type of work children, okay. And we take an occupation according to our skill and what can we do according to our ability. We are choosing our occupation, okay. So we will study here in this chapter the different types of occupation the people has opt, okay. So in different type of occupation children, we will study first the farming. So farming is the main occupation of the people in India, okay, and people grow many crops throughout the country, and most of the people in India are engaged in farming children. More than 70% people are engaged here, okay, in agriculture as you are looking, and 75% of land area is used for agriculture here. And different types of crops are grown in India, like the because here most of the farming is done in the plains because the land is flat and fertile here. Farmers grow food grains, okay, pulses, oil seeds, vegetables, spices, cotton, tea, coffee and rubber. As you are looking children here, these are the varieties of crops which are grown by the farmers in India: wheat, maize, rice, millets, pulses, sugarcane, tobacco, cotton, jute, oil seeds. Okay, it is oil seeds are crushed and taken out the oils from it. So these wheat are grown in hot and wet area. Okay, these are the suitable for wheat are grown in the hot and wet areas. Rice children. So rice is grown in the hot and wet areas and it needs large amount of water for growing. Okay, so rice is needed more water. Okay, the field should be covered with water, and this is grown in these places. Okay, rice is grown widely in Assam, West Bengal, Orissa, Andhra Pradesh. Okay, and it is in so rice production also in West Bengal, it is widely grown there. And wheat needs a cool and a moist climate, okay. And here you can see for it is grown here and it requires the cool and moist climate for wheat. Children, farmers grow cotton in their farms. Through this cotton children, our clothes are prepared, okay. So cotton clothes, the first they are weaving and then it is prepared. So from this flower only which you are looking white color cotton it is, so this cotton has to be converted into the clothes for us to wear, and this is done in the factories. As we are wearing different types of clothes children, so it is prepared from these cotton, okay. And similarly, like the oil seeds, sugar cane, jute, tea leaves or coffee beans grown by the farmers and taken to factories for processing, okay. So there it is processed, okay. So as you are looking from the jute bag is prepared and many things, ropes, etc., that is also prepared. So children, we can understand that farming or agriculture is the main occupation of the people in villages, and Indian farmers grow these all crops. So children, these are the helpers, okay, around us. They are helping. The farmers are first plowing the field, okay, sowing the seeds, and then they are growing the crops, various type of crops. So we can't do all the work, okay, together, okay, as other peoples are doing. Someone is engineer, so they are making the car, designing the cars and other things, okay. Like that, farmers are growing the crops, cobblers are mending the shoes, okay, barbers are cutting your hairs. So every people have the different work. If they will not do, then it is not possible for one person to complete all the work. So this is your farmer, and he is plowing the field and growing the different type of crops, vegetable and fruits for us children, okay. And these farmers also rear the different type of cattle children, okay. They are rearing the cattle for milk, meat and other purposes, okay. And the agricultural practice of breeding and raising livestock is called an animal husbandry or cattle rearing, okay. So here you are looking that different animals are reared for different purposes, okay. Cattle rearing. Cattle farming consists of rearing cattle like goats, cows, buffaloes and bullocks. We get milk from cows, buffaloes and goats, and from goat we are getting the meat also, okay. So this dairy farming or rearing of animals for milk is an important occupation, and this is for rearing animals for milk is called a dairy farming, okay. And poultry farming, what is a poultry farming? The people, those who are involved to rear these hens, ducks and geese for their meat, okay. They are getting the meat from these animals. And in the coastal areas, fishing is an important occupation also. So poultry farming is involved from rearing these animals, hens, ducks and geese for their meat purpose, okay. Now farming you have studied. Farming is an agriculture in the main occupation of the people in village, and Indian farmers grow different types of crops, okay, spices, tea leaves, fruits, vegetables, all these things children, okay. So children, farmers keep cows, buffaloes and goats for milk, okay, hide for skin also, and for the meat purposes, okay. And they keep hens and ducks in poultry farms for eggs and meat. These you are looking that they are doing the poultry farming involved, that is people are involved in rearing of hens, ducks and geese for their getting meat children. So why do people do these all work children? Because we all need food to eat, okay, and clothes to wear and a shelter to live in, isn't it? So in this way, farmers grow fruits, vegetables, cereals, these things, and they help to us because they are providing us food. So in this way, you can understand that each people of our country, okay, everyone does something useful for other people in the community children, okay. So now you understood about the farmer, that a person that works on a farm usually with their animals or cattle, they are called a farmer because they are rearing the animals also for getting dairy products, milk, dairy farming for, or poultry farming also people are engaged, and they are keeping the cattle for plowing field and for other different works for getting milk also. So children, any work that helps a person to earn money for his livelihood is called an occupation. So these cattle rearing are the purposes of they have the different purposes. Cattle farming consists of rearing cattle like the goats, cows, buffaloes and bullocks, okay children. And the crops which are grown by the farmers, it depends on the season, because every season you can't grow all the crops. So it determines the seasons also children. A farmer may grow wheat in winter and rice in summer on the same farm, okay. A farmer may grow wheat in the winter and rice in the summer season, because rice needs lots of water, and the climate, the type of soil and the amount of water available determine the crops that can grow best in a region. If these all things are available, then crops can be grown in abundance, and which include food grain. And among these all, what comes? These all, which includes food grains, pulses, oilseeds, sugarcane, jute, cotton, spices, tea, fruits and vegetables. And these all different types of spices and the food grains and the pulses farmers can grow according to their season, children. So children, this sugar and jaggery, that is called a gur, okay, are made from sugar cane. Okay, as you are looking the sugar cane, so it is prepared, sugar is prepared and jaggery is from this sugar cane, and ropes, bags and snacks are made from the jute fiber. Okay, and it is also prepared from that ropes from jute. You are looking that ropes are prepared, and from this sugar cane this sugar is also prepared. Okay, and from different oil seeds, oil is also prepared. From almond also, the almond oil is prepared, children. These are the oil seeds, and after crushing it, oil is prepared. And sugar cane is useful for making sugar and jaggery. From sugar cane this jaggery and sugar is prepared. And from the jute, making bags and carpets and ropes are prepared from jute material. Okay, it is useful for making bags, carpets and ropes. So now you understood that in the poultry farming, this involves the hens, ducks and geese for their meat and eggs. Okay, and the coastal areas, fishing is also very important. We also get the meat from the goats. Bullocks are used to plough the fields and draw carts. And this dairy farming or rearing animals for milk and milk products are consumed in as the dairy farming. For that purposes, dairy purposes, they are reared. Okay, the cows and the goats, buffaloes, etc. So different types of animals are reared for different purposes, children. Children, now in this chapter I am going to explain you some hard words. So please complete and learn and write these in your copy. First is your occupation. So please write it in your copy, children. Occupation. So please complete this in your copy, children. First number is your occupation. So first number is your occupation, complete, and then according, then different, throughout, vegetables, coffee, agriculture, animal husbandry, cattle rearing, buffaloes, textile, jaggery and furniture. Please complete this in your copy in a very beautiful handwriting, children. Then matchstick, pisciculture, minerals, utensils, engage, business, architects, lawyers, factories, government and progress. These are your hard words. So please complete in a very beautiful handwriting in your copy, children. Thank you.